Monorail.
Whoosh! Here comes the monorail flying on a track high above the ground. It goes super fast and doesn't even touch the road. It's like a train. In the sky? Can you say monorail? Wah!
Light rail.
Then I saw the light rail. Ding ding! It's sleek and shiny and picks up people right in the city. It's like a baby train saying, "Hop on, friends. Let's go."
City bus.
And look, city bus coming through. It's big, it's blue and full of busy people. Beep, beep. That driver sure knows how to steer around town.
Food truck.
Do you smell that? It's the food truck. With sizzling hot dogs and melty grilled cheese. This truck doesn't just drive, it cooks. I bet it even makes the yummiest ice cream tacos.
Ambulance.
Oh. Nina, Nina. The ambulance is here. Zooming fast with flashing lights, someone needs help. This truck is like a superhero on wheels.
Box truck.
Then came the box truck. It's huge and square, like a giant moving present. Maybe it's full of toys or puppies? What do you think is inside?
cargo plane.
Look up, Wyatt. That's a cargo plane in the sky. It's not carrying people, it's carrying boxes, bikes, maybe even a dinosaur costume. Roar!
Shinkansen transporter.
Now this was awesome, the Shinkansen transporter. A special truck carrying a Japanese bullet train. Careful, careful. It's super long and extra speedy when it's on the tracks.
Space shuttle.
What's that with wings and boosters? It's the space shuttle. Okay, it's a model on a truck, but we pretended it blasted into space. 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Yellow cabs.
And here they come, yellow cabs. So many zooming down the road like little bananas on wheels. Where to? They ask. To the toy store, please.
Jeep.
Oh, yeah. A muddy, bumpy Jeep rolls in ready for adventure in the jungle. This Jeep goes vroom vroom over hills and rocks and maybe even through a puddle. Splash!
Thomas the Tank Engine.
Chugga chugga. Wait. Who's that? It's Thomas the Tank Engine. Peep peep. He's always smiling and ready to go on a new journey with his friends.
Garbage truck.
And here comes the garbage truck, strong and stinky, but super helpful. It lifts the trash with its robot arms and gobbles it up clunk. Crash! Smash! Bye-bye, banana peels.
Police bus.
Wow. A police bus rolls in. It's big and serious. Maybe it's helping with a parade or carrying police pups to a mission. Woof woof!
Scrapper.
Whoa! Watch out! That's a scrapper. It crushes old cars and turns them into tiny metal blocks. Crunch! Bye-bye, rusty truck.
Tow truck.
Oh, a car broke down. But no worries, the tow truck is here with its hook and a let's help you attitude. Up you go, little car.
Articulated bus.
Look at this. It's a super long articulated bus. It's like two buses stuck together with a wiggly middle. Wiggle, wiggle, turning corners like a snake on wheels.
Mini truck.
And last but not least, give it up for the mini truck. It's tiny, but don't be fooled. It can carry heavy boxes and zoom through tight spaces. Go, little buddy, go!